pink house or red house? Come on. You go around and tell me what you like, huh? With swimming pool or without swimming pool? With swimming pool.
Tama si Harry, nahandun na. Gusto talaga.
Hindi mo kapag ano yan, hindi mo kapag. Huh? No, that's not deep. Lugtog mo kaya si Harry yan, kaso patay tayo.
Dapat nagdala pala tayo, eh, no?
Saan? Huwag ka kanta ng ganyan. Ilang taon na siya? 10? I think that's it. No, ano lang siya?
5.
5. Ah, 5? Taas naman. 5. Ang pili ko, 8 eh. Oh, Jericho, it would fit you. You like? Oh, come on. Oh, sige, go on. No, this is for Jericho. Oh, Jericho. Oh, come on. Let's go just swim. Come on. Jessica, come on. And Jessica, let me try. So you can swim for 5 minutes, huh? I'll give you 5 minutes. Yeah. Let me see if it fits you.
Jericho.
No, she didn't. Oh, don't say, ikaw nga lang na.
No, Harry, don't put everything in there. What is Jericho? Are you going to swim or not? Are you going to swim or not?